Welcome back, students. Now we solve the English workshop. Question number first. Frame your own sentences by using words or phrases. Here are some words. Use them in your own sentence. The first, wonderful. What a wonderful scene that is. Superb. His drawing is superb. Very well. He play very well. So beautiful and divine. That temple is so beautiful and divine. Question number 2. From the story, make a list of words related with music. In this story, there are some words related with music. संगीताशी संबंधित असलेले शब्द शोधा आणि लिहा. The first one is राग, उस्तादजी, तानपुरा, दरबारी, म्यूजिक टीचर, गुरुजी, नोट, musician. You may search the word and write in proper place. Question number 3. Who said to whom and when or why? Here are some sentences. The first, then I must have him sing in my court. Who said? Akbar. To whom? To Tansen. And when or why? When Tansen says someone sings better than him. Now solve the remaining sentences by yourself. Question number 4. Match the sentences with their types. Here are some sentences and their types. The first sentence, what has happened to you? This is interrogative sentence. The type of sentence is interrogative, means प्रश्नार्थक वाक्य. Number 2, I am long past the age for singing. This is statement or assertive sentence. ज्याला मराठीत आपण विधानार्थी वाक्य म्हणतो. Number 3, wonderful. Wonderful exclamatory sentence. Number 4, no, not even then. E, negative sentence. Number 5, take me to him. Imperative sentence. Number 5, make as many words as you can from the word exasperated. Exasperated या शब्दापासून तुम्हाला शक्य होतील तेवढे शब्द बनवा. जसं की स्प्रेड, रॅट, रेड, थ्रेड, सीड, डिअर, tree, ear. So many words you can write from the word. Question number 6. Write T for true, NT for not true, and CNS for cannot say. Number first, Emperor Akbar greatly admired Tansen's music, but now he was bored with it. NT means not true. हे सेंटेन्स खरं आहे का? नाही म्हणून NT. Number 2, Akbar was arrogant and expected all his subjects to obey his commands. Not true. Not true, so here also NT. Number 3. Guruji recognized the king. गुरुजींनी राजाला ओळखलं का, बादशहाला ओळखलं का? तर हे आपण सांगू शकत नाही परफेक्ट, म्हणून कॅन नॉट से, सांगू शकत नाहीत. नंबर 5. इन स्पाइट ऑफ बीइंग ए ग्रेट सिंगर, तानसेन कंटिन्यूड टू मेक deliberate mistake. T means true. Any effort dedicated to God turned to be the best. This sentence is also true. Number 7. Discuss and write briefly. Here are some 2 questions. Write their answer yourself. What would happen if the Emperor Akbar would summon Sant Haridas? Number 2. What if you find a blind person singing songs melodiously for begging? Study the underlined group of words. A. He wore a shirt made of cotton. The underlined words are a phrase. B. He wore a shirt which was made of cotton. The underlined part is clause. Clause means upavakya. Number 2. A. Are you sure of your innocence? The underlined part is phrase. Phrase means vakyamsh. B. Are you sure that you are innocent? The underlined part is clause. Number 3. A. This is the exact reason for his failure. Phrase. B. This is exactly why he was failed. Clause. Number 4. A. After finishing his work, he went home. The underlined part is phrase. B. He finished his work and he went home. The underlined part is clause. Say whether the underlined are phrases or clause. Solve this activity by yourself.